This is the iPhone 18 Pro, and while it may look familiar, Apple has quietly changed some very important things. Apart from Apple's foldable iPhone, this is the main iPhone launching this September, and it's expected to be the more accessible Pro option. At first glance, the design feels similar to the iPhone 17 Pro, but Apple is adding new color options this year, including burgundy, brown, and purple. Where things really get interesting is the front of the phone. Back with the iPhone 14, Apple introduced Dynamic Island as a smart software solution to hide an awkward hardware layout, a separate camera cutout, and a Face ID cutout. What started as a workaround quickly became one of the most recognizable and useful features of the iPhone. With the iPhone 18 Pro, Apple is changing that layout again. Face ID is now placed under the display, leaving only the front-facing camera visible, which has been moved to the left side. Dynamic Island is not going away because it's now deeply integrated into iOS. Instead, it becomes smaller and cleaner since it no longer has to share space with the Face ID hardware. Functionally, it works the same, but visually it's more refined. This change is subtle, similar to the transition from iPhone 13 Pro to 14 Pro. It's not something everyone will notice immediately, but it's a clear visual sign of a new generation. The camera system is also getting one of its biggest upgrades in years. Apple is working on a variable aperture camera, allowing the lens to physically open wider in low light and close in bright conditions. This lets in more light when needed and creates a more natural depth of field, reducing the reliance on software-based portrait effects. There is a possibility that this feature may only appear on the Pro Max model, and Apple has tested similar hardware before, so it's something to watch closely. Apple is also simplifying the camera control button. Instead of combining touch gestures and pressure sensing, the touch functionality is being removed. The button will now rely only on pressure input, making it simpler, more reliable, and easier to repair. Powering the iPhone 18 Pro is the new A20 Pro chip, built on a 2nm process. As expected, this brings better performance, improved efficiency, and longer battery life. Apple is also replacing Qualcomm with its own C-Link modem in the Pro models, improving cellular efficiency and giving Apple more control over connectivity. One of the biggest changes is happening quietly behind the scenes. Apple is expanding support for satellite-based networks, building on the emergency satellite features introduced with the iPhone 14. This move could significantly change how iPhones stay connected in areas with weak or no cellular coverage. The iPhone 18 Pro isn't a dramatic redesign, but it's a thoughtful evolution, refining the display, improving the cameras, and laying the groundwork for future connectivity.